To begin, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Tap on Create Story to start creating your story. You can create your story using AI-generated content by capturing a new photo or video, adding text, or selecting a photo or video from your gallery. On the right, you will see a list of options. Tap on this music option to proceed. A list of various music tracks will appear. Browse through the recommended tracks to choose one. You can also use the search bar to find a specific song by typing its name. Once you've found the song you want from the results, simply tap on it to select it. Now, you can adjust the section of the song you want to use by sliding the slider left or right to select the desired portion. After making your selection, tap Done to add the music to your story. You can also add text, emojis, edit the photo, and adjust the settings just as you normally would. Finally, tap Share Now to post your story. Your story has been updated and will stay live for 24 hours. The music will play in the background, and anyone who views your story will hear it. So that's how you can add music to your story on Facebook Messenger.